President William Ruto recently stated that workers would have to give 3% of their salaries towards the National Housing Plan. He said this during a church service in Donholm, Nairobi on April 23, 2023. He stated that the contributions would make it easier for Kenyans to obtain affordable housing. This announcement was met with opposition from civil servants who were against the proposal to reduce their salaries. The workers claimed that they were not consulted and expressed their discontent through their unions. In response to the opposition, Charles Hinga, the Principal Secretary of Housing, stated that the salary deductions would be optional. He clarified that President Ruto's earlier statement did not mean that the money would be deducted from civil servants' salaries immediately, but rather that they could choose to make contributions voluntarily. Hinga added that if a civil servant contributes cash 10,000, the government would match that amount with another cash 10,000, thereby doubling the contribution. He emphasized that the scheme is currently voluntary and not compulsory. The Principal Secretary, in highlighting the advantages of the program, stated that if participants are unable to secure a house, they would receive a refund of their contributions. Hinga addressed the issue of why homeowners should contribute to the fund, stating that the objective is to solve the housing issue by encouraging people to save money. If, after 7 years, you have not acquired a house, you can withdraw your money and transfer it to your pension, he added. Ruto did not specify the commencement date for the deductions, but confirmed that the government would lead by example by implementing the Housing Fund program for more than 700,000 civil servants. As a government, we will be taking the lead in implementing this initiative. We will save 3% for all government employees, after they have contributed their own 3%, he said. The president also revealed that the government plans to construct more than 200,000 affordable houses by 2027, with 10,000 already built in Nairobi. To get more news, subscribe to the Kenya News channel. Also leave a like and comment on this video.